Hey video makers, welcome to the first episode of our Godox lighting solutions for video making. Today we're exploring fashion videography and uncovering the lighting setup. Let's jump right in. In this setup, we placed 3 lights in different positions, each playing a vital role in creating visually appealing shots. On the left front side, we used the SL series light with a QRP90 softbox as our key light. It delivered a soft, broad light that beautifully showcased the clothes and model. On the right rear side, we positioned another SL series light with an FW35 by 130 softbox, effectively separating the model and clothes from the background. And on the right front side, we placed an SL series light with an FW60 by 90 softbox to fill in shadows created by the key light. Feel free to adjust the angles and intensities of the lights to suit your shoot. Get creative and capture that perfect shot.